Hello and welcome, dear viewers and listeners. This is a special cultural journey into the heart of one of the Auckland's most colorful and vibrant community events, the Ethnic Community Festival that held on 18th of May 2025 at Mt Roskill Community Centre. The day was more than just a celebration. It was a reflection of unity, respect, and the beauty of diversity. Let's go and explore what made this day unforgettable. Dozens of cultures from around the world comes together, from East Asia to Africa, from the Pacific Island to Indian subcontinent. People dressed in their traditional outfits brought their music, dance, and delicious foods, and above all, brought their spirits of love and connection. The festival was not only a celebration, it was a living story of identity, migration, and pride.